Welcome back to another video about my iPhone cases. And in this video I'm gonna take this case apart because I unfortunately broke it while not being very careful, so it was my fault entirely. But I think this provides an excellent opportunity to take it apart, see if we can maybe use the magnets or something for another project, or just disassemble everything and see what's inside. I guess a good way of doing this is with this first aid kit scissor. So let's go to town. It's a lot harder to cut than I would have anticipated. This cut through almost anything. Let's see how well this sticks back on my iPhone. Does fit quite well actually, so we might be able to make our own wallet with this as the magnet. That's always good to know. So it did actually adhere quite well to the back of my iPhone 12 Pro with the Apple leather MagSafe case. So you could make your own, like put a leather piece on here, stitch it down and use it as your own homemade wallet. But I'm not going to do that with this one. I'll have to find another case for that. We'll try that maybe in the future. I kind of want to see what is below this microfiber. Let's see if I can even get it apart. Oh. Okay, of course there's a magnet below the ring to orientate the wallet. Oops. Kind of broke that one. Too bad I broke that magnet. But I doubt I can use this for much now anyways. But let's just continue digging out the magnets. And then we have the coil that's telling the phone which color the case is for the sweet animation. So there we go. I hope someone enjoyed this video. Me destroying my case. should actually see if I can find another used case that I can repurpose to maybe another Apple wallet. That would be really fun. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will make something and we will give it away.